Problem 5-88. On Wednesdays at Tara's Taqueria, 4 tacos are the same price as 3 burritos. Last Wednesday, the lunch bunch ordered 5 tacos and 6 burritos, and the total bill was $8.58, with no tax or drinks included. Nobody in the lunch bunch can remember the cost of one of Tara's tacos. Help them figure it out. So we're trying to figure out the cost of one taco when we've been ordering tacos and burritos for lunch every day, or at least on Wednesdays. So some of the important information here: they ordered 4 tacos that are the same price as 3 burritos one Wednesday. The following Wednesday, they ordered 5 tacos and 6 burritos, and they were able to give us the bill. So first things first, let's define a variable. Let's let T represent the cost of a single taco. And let's let B represent the cost of a single burrito. So now that we have defined what these variables represent, and we're using them to represent this missing information, let's look at the information we know and see if we can create 2 equations. If we're going to use 2 variables, we need 2 equations. So 4 tacos are the same price as 3 burritos. Okay, so remember that math word that we're looking for there, okay, as we're trying to figure out in the sentence, where is the equal sign? It doesn't just say equals, but remember R is that equals word, because when you're looking for equals, okay, you're looking for the word is or are. Different words like that there could stand in the place for equals. So you could also read this as, on Wednesdays at Tara's Taqueria, 4 tacos equal the same price as 3 burritos. See how we can replace that word with equals? That means this is our equal sign. Now 4 tacos could be represented then as 4T, 4 tacos, equal the same price as 3 burritos. That's going to be like saying 3B. And just like that, there's one of our equations. So let's write that one here. 4 tacos are the same as 3 burritos. Let's read the next sentence. It works exactly the same way. Let's see. Last Wednesday, the lunch bunch ordered 5 tacos and 6 burritos. And their bill was, well, was is like is, right? Or are, or equals. So the total bill equals $8.58. So there's where our equals sign comes in. Let's change the color so it stands out. So our second equation here is going to be something that equals $8.58. Well, 5 tacos we could say is 5T. And if we're combining it with 6 burritos, 5T plus 6B should equal $8.58. So now we've got our system of equations, and it's just about setting it up here to solve however we wish to do that. They're both linear here, so you could use substitution, you could use elimination, or you could graph it. I'm going to go ahead here and use elimination. I'm going to subtract my 3b from each side so that I'm going to have, if I take this and move this over, I'm going to have 4t minus 3b. If I subtract 3b from here and 3b from here, should equal 0. And right now I still have my 5t plus 6b equals 858. Now I can't do elimination yet because I don't have any additive inverses. But I see here that my burritos might be easy to cancel out. If I want to do that there, I need to make this one a negative 6b. So I'm going to have to multiply each side of this equation by 2. And I'll rewrite that down here so it's still above and below this. 2 times 4t is going to give me 8t. 2 times negative 3b is going to give me minus 6b. And 2 times 0 is still 0. So let's take this. Let's add our two equations together. 5t plus 8t is going to give me 13t, or 13 tacos. 6b plus a negative 6b is going to give us 0, so that has canceled out. Those are gone. So 13 tacos equals $8.58. So if I want to find the price of one taco, I'm going to go ahead and just divide this side by 13. Divide this side by 13. And I'm going to get the cost of one taco should end up being, and I've already done this on the calculator, so I know exactly how much this is. It would be 66 cents for one taco. Now that makes sense there so far, but let's go ahead there and let's figure out what the cost of a burrito is so we can check our answer as well. So if I take my 66 cents here and I'm going to plug it in for the cost of a taco, we've got 4 times 66 cents should equal the cost of 3 burritos. Well, 4 times 66 cents should be $2.64. That equals the cost of 3 burritos. So each burrito should cost us 88 cents. I did that just by doing $2.64 divided by 3. And if we wanted then to double check the whole thing overall, let's just go ahead here. Let's get out our calculator real quick here just to make it faster. I'm sure that you're always thrilled to listen to me as much as you can, but let's quit out. And let's check it here. We know that this is just a check. If we do 5 times our 66 cents plus 6 times our 88 cents, it should equal $8.58. Let's see here. 4 times 0.66 plus, oopsie, I already, what am I doing there? That should be 5 times 66 cents. Good thing I caught that. Don't want to screw up in the check. That'd be bad. So we're multiplying 6 times our 88 cents. And when I add that together, it should give me $8.58. Let's see. $8.58. So we know we're correct. So last step we have here is just to make sure that we state what it's asking for. The cost of one of Tara's tacos. So we should say one of Tara's tacos will cost 66 cents. And we're done. This is problem 5-88. Thanks for listening. Hope this helped you out.